Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Emma, and this is going to be a last week of summer vlog type thing. I just got home from work. I work at a dance store, and I'm working a lot this week. Today's Monday, by the way, August 19th. So I start school technically next Monday, but I don't have classes until Tuesday. But yeah, I'm working a lot this week. I worked Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, possibly Sunday. I'm really hoping I don't have to fill in for a girl though, just because I really would like one day to recoup before school starts. I haven't really done like a week in my life or a vlog in a really long time, so I'm excited to do this. If you guys didn't know, I am a senior, well technically junior, but graduating in like 3 semesters, so like next summer, so I'm just calling myself a senior. But yeah, I'm a senior at the University of Cincinnati studying communication and marketing, and I just moved out finally. I lived at my parents' house for the past 2 years, and every year before that. So this is my new room. I love it. I think it's so cute. It definitely is like kind of the same as my parents' house, except the walls here are green instead of beige, but I really like it. I basically just transferred all of my stuff because I didn't want to buy new stuff. But yeah, I'll give you a quick tour in case you guys didn't see my move-in vlogs. I had 2 of them, I think, so you guys should check those out if you're interested. But yeah, this is just the back here. I love this fireplace. I have pictures from my summer in Ukraine. I taught English over there. A little mantle, my desk area, messy closet, and then my bed with lots of junk on it. I actually just got a package from Tiva. When I was in Ukraine, the last, I don't know, like 3 days before we left to come back to America, my Tiva sandals got stolen, and those were the shoes that I literally wore like every single day. I was so bummed. I actually still have blisters from my friend's shoes that I had to borrow because I didn't have any other shoes because we were on like a little weekend trip. Ooh, these are more sparkly than I thought, but they just have like little specks in them of like silver, I think. And I think they're so cute. Gonna have to break these in again, but I just wanted something. I'm going to Costa Rica in October, so I just wanted a sandal for that, and I want to break them in for that. Plus, it's still like hot here in Cincinnati, and it doesn't really cool down until like October. So I want to have sandals that I can wear to school and to work because they're super comfy and just nice to walk in. And then yesterday I also got this package. I bought a pair of Chucks, and they're high top, and they're just like kind of like a baby blue. I think they're super cute. I wear my white ones all the time, so I just wanted like another pair, and these are $24 on Nordstrom Rack. I actually ordered another white slip-on shoe, and I ordered 2 like black boots for the fall that were on like a deep discount, so I'll obviously return one, possibly both of them. But I was just like, whatever, I'm just gonna buy it now before all my bills start coming in. It is about 8 o'clock. I take the bus to and from work, so it takes me a little bit longer to get home. Although customers stayed past closing, which was fine. I still made my bus, that's all I really cared about. But yeah, I was on the bus for about 40 minutes, so I'm tired, although I feel like I have a lot of energy all of a sudden, and I'm hungry. So I think I'm going to, actually, I think I'm gonna work out first, and then I'm gonna eat dinner. I gained a lot of weight over this summer, so I'm just trying to get back in shape, just be fit, toned, strong, healthier. I don't really care like about like a look, I guess. Like, that's not what I'm going for. I just want to feel stronger and just better about my body because I don't feel too hot about it right now. So I found this New Girl I think a couple weeks ago after I got home, and I did some of her workouts last night, and I loved them. They were so good, and I'm like really sore today from them, so I feel like that's always when you know like that a workout is good. Her channel name is Mad Fit, and she has these super cool workouts that are like to a song, so they're like choreographed to a song. And I feel bad because like she doesn't make any money from them, but they're so much fun. So I think I'm gonna just do like 3 of them tonight. I want to do the Panini ab and arms workout, Ariana Grande's boyfriend leg and booty workout, and then I think we're gonna do Ed Sheeran and Travis Scott antisocial full body workout. I love that song also. So yeah, I'm just gonna, well, first change because I'm still kind of in work clothes, and then get a little sweat in. All right, here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, so I'm down in my kitchen now. I'm gonna grab dinner. Usually I don't really eat dinner, but tonight I'm feeling very hungry for some reason. So this is my stash of dry food, which honestly I might just have a bowl of cereal, and then I don't know, I don't really have too much fruit. Maybe I will have some berries. I guess we'll do that. I'm also gonna have some applesauce. I feel like I just have too much food, so I just don't eat enough of it. But it's a good thing. Most things stay good for a while. Thursday morning. It's actually almost like noon though, but I'm just getting a start on my day. I woke up not feeling super great and just super tired, so I just laid in bed. I had 2 cups of coffee, a banana, a muffin, and I've just been watching Netflix. But I need to get up and get going. I have to clean up my messy room. And I also got my other shoe package, so I'm gonna try those on and see what ones I want to keep and which ones I want to return. And then I think I'm gonna go over to my sister's later today, and then I'm meeting up with my brother's girlfriend. We have to find some of our classes. So yeah, that's all that is on the schedule today. Pretty chill day. I work all day Friday and Saturday, so I'm trying to just like be lazy because I know that I won't be able to do this for like 3 months until December when classes end. Yesterday was pretty good. I didn't film at all, but yeah, I was at work all day. Tired, just kind of annoyed with these dance moms. They can just like, I don't know, they just really get on my nerves. Just like the behavior, and I just feel like a lot of them are really disrespectful, so it's just kind of frustrating. But then yeah, my dad picked me up. We went over to my sister's apartment because he hadn't seen it before, and then I went to the grocery store, and then I came home and I showered and I watched Netflix. I started Rain again. I never watched it all the way through because I think I kind of lost interest like season 3 maybe, but I just decided to start it again because I finished my other show, The Night Manager, which was so good. Okay, I'm trying on my shoes, and this is the first pair that I got. They were literally $12.48. They're from the brand Report, but they're like super cool. It's like a faux leather, and then it's like a, I don't even know, like clear rubber sole, but they're super cool. Obviously I wouldn't wear them with the socks, but I love them. Okay, the Jeffrey Campbell's are way too small. My foot is so squished in there. I got a size 10, which is what size I normally wear, but ow, too small. Bummer, these are also too small, the Report ones. I don't know what to do with these. Oh my gosh, it hurts so much. These are thicker socks, but like there's just no room in there. They're cute though. Bummer, I wish one of them would have worked. Alright, so I will be returning both of the boots. Then I'm gonna keep these white ones and then also keep the blue Converse. It's way later now. It's almost 6 o'clock. I went over to my sister's apartment around like 2. Just played Wii for like 30 minutes, and then my brother's girlfriend actually ended up coming over here because she's taking classes in the fall, and we were just trying to find our classes because there's like a new building on campus, which is where our classes are, and I didn't know where it was. She didn't know where it was, so we just kind of walked around campus. Really hot and muggy outside. It's disgusting. I came back and I was like sweating so much, so I showered. I'm really not feeling that great. I don't know why, Maybe it was my 2 cups of coffee this morning, but like my stomach is just hurting. I feel like really hungry, but also like I don't have an appetite. I don't know, I just feel really gross and tired and just kind of blah. So I'm just gonna try and hydrate. I think I might be dehydrated too. I am home from work now. It's about 7:30. I've been home for about an hour, but I'll show you what I was working on. I have this balcony outside of my room. So my grandma bought some outdoor furniture, so I was working on putting this together. But like some of the screws I can't get to go in all the way, so I don't even know what to do with it. But I still feel like it's pretty sturdy and it's pretty nice. So it's actually Saturday morning right now. I kind of forgot to end this last night, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited for school to start, just to have like a busier schedule, to be back like learning in classrooms, and also to do like college week of my life and college related videos. So if you guys have any requests, please let me know. Yeah, I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.